Can you get 10 out of 10 on this quiz? Ready? Let's go! Which fruit is known for its bright green color? Lime, apple, or pear? The answer is lime. What is the main ingredient in baba ganoush? Chickpeas, eggplant, or zucchini? And yes, it's eggplant. What is the traditional shape of tortellini pasta? Ring, tube, or pocket? Ring! Very good. What fruit is often used to make wine in Italy? Grape, cherry, or plum? Did you get that one right? It's grape. Which type of nut is commonly used in baklava? Almond, walnut, or pistachio? Pistachio. Well done. Before we continue, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss out on our daily quiz challenges. What type of fish is used in traditional poke bowls? Tuna, salmon, or cod? It's tuna. What is the main ingredient in tapenade? Olives, garlic, or capers? Olives. You nailed it. Which fruit is commonly added to a Greek salad? Grapes, olives, or figs? Olives it is. You're on fire. What is the primary ingredient in sauerkraut? Cabbage, carrot, or beetroot? It's cabbage. You crushed it. Last question. Don't forget to let me know your score in the comments below. Which vegetable is often used in a Caesar salad? Lettuce, spinach, or kale? You're right. It's lettuce. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out these quizzes that just popped up on the screen.